Hi guys, and welcome to Zozo Cooks Keto. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite white fish dishes. It's cherry tomato and white wine basa. It's light, it's delicious, and if you like lemon, this is the dish for you. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you'll need 6 ounces of cherry tomatoes, halved, a lemon, 2 cloves of garlic, crushed, a 1/4 cup of fresh chopped basil, half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, 1/4 cup of dry white wine, 3 tablespoons of butter, and a 1/4 teaspoon of each fresh ground pepper and pink Himalayan salt. Finally, we'll need 6 4-ounce white fish fillets. I'm using Basa, which is a wonderfully delicate boneless white fish. The slight buttery flavor. You can use any white fish you like, just make sure to adjust the cook time depending on the thickness. Let's get started. Before cooking the fish, we'll first need to dry them with some paper towels. This will make it much easier to get a beautiful brown crust when we pan fry it. Season them lightly with salt and pepper. Next, we're going to juice half a lemon, and if you really want to punch up that lemon flavor to something truly incredible, you can also add a little of its zest. Time to fry up our fish. In a large frying pan on a medium-high heat, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. When cooking with butter, it's always best to add a little oil, as it helps prevent the butter from burning. Add your fillets and cook them for around 3 minutes, depending on the thickness of your fish. What we're looking for is the fish to be cooked halfway through before flipping. You can tell this by how the fish goes from translucent to white. Doesn't that look good? We'll continue cooking it on this side for a few minutes until browned and cooked through. Set them aside and cook the remaining fillets the same way. Be sure to add the final tablespoon of butter when needed. In a clean pan on a medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, the crushed red pepper flakes, and the garlic. We'll saute these for about 30 seconds until fragrant. As you can see, my pan was a little too hot, which is why the oil is spitting. Now it's time for those cherry tomatoes. Cook these for a few minutes until slightly browned and the skin is blistered. Try not to overcook them, as we still want them to hold their shape. Perfect. Add the wine and bring it to a simmer. Include the basil, the lemon juice, and we're done. I like to serve this dish with some bacon-wrapped asparagus. For a third a serving, or 2 fillets, the macros are 29.6 grams of fat, 1.1 grams of fiber, 5.8 grams of total carbs, and 35 grams of protein. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you'd like to see more, please click the subscribe button, the like button, and ring that bell for future notifications. Thanks for watching. I'll take that.